Alright guys, I'm ready to take this off. It's looking a little crusty busty. If you want to know how I did this look, it'll be up in my channel, or you can click up here after you're done with this video. Now I'm about to get started. I like to use this organic mango butter that I got from this Jamaican flea market, this guy, and this is amazing. Like, I rub it on my makeup to take it off and it's amazing. It melts my makeup and it makes my skin feel soft without getting the oils clogged in there. As you guys can see, the butter took everything off and my skin feels so soft. Like, it's organic mango butter and it doesn't clog up my pores. It gets my makeup off every time and I love it. Like, it doesn't, you can't get it anywhere. This man made it. Like, he makes a lot of organic stuff in Tucson, so now sure, maybe I'll make my own and we'll see how it, how things go. And now I'm gonna use my Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser by Neutrogena. Put that on my face to scrub. Look at that. Look at that. And this smells so good, so good. And it's not like a big exfoliator, so it doesn't scratch up your skin, it's like a gentle exfoliator. Not even promoted by Neutrogena, but it's good. I'm gonna tell you guys when something's good. It feels good too, and it doesn't even dry out my eczema, so points for that. Look how shiny my face looks. Like, this is real shine. As you can see, this is a real shiner. It's taking up all the spotlight, but I got something for it. Believe me, I do. Especially when I do big looks like this, I have to protect my skin. So I have to show you guys the product that I use to protect my skin. This is another product that I picked up that is great for eczema. This is Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. It's 100% all natural witch hazel, and I feel like witch hazel helped with my eczema because it's not too harsh in it, and it kind of soothes my skin so it's not so inflamed. I also rub it over my lips. And after using the mango butter and the Neutrogena, this is how clean my pad looks. I know you're probably thinking, oh, it's not that clean. Believe me, some other stuff that you use to remove your makeup, especially if it's thick, and half my face was paint. Some of that wasn't even all makeup, it was paint. And it still took it off with a little bit of residue, and that's amazing. Now that your girl's all toned up, I'm gonna use the Nola Skin Sensual Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This, look. That's how good it is. It eats up all the bad stuff in my face. Like, at first when I was wearing it, I was like, ooh, this tingles. But wiping it off, it was just like, whew, whew. But the more I wear it, the less it's tingled. So I guess my face was really, messed up, and then it's just, It is real pumpkin, real pumpkin. The little tingles are just like the enzymes eating away at your dead skin. That's my work on it. So how you guys doing? Yesterday, I saw my husband was using one of our old iPads and he saw a video that I filmed when I was living with my mom of me doing my makeup. It was like a YouTube video that I never put up. And it just shows how when you're meant to do something and when you want to do something, when you look back at yourself, what mind space you were at to where you are now, to show that it was always there. It wasn't like a weird decision, because I was always going back through, is this the right decision? Is it the right decision? But seeing that video turns out to it showed me that this was the right decision, because the decision was always there. I may not remember that video, but it was always there. That mentality was always there. That drive, the passion, the creativity was always there. I just needed to dig deep down and get it out and have the courage and the independence and the dream to just push through it and keep it going. It's empowering to see that and to put my work out there and to see that I could do it, even if the horse didn't look right. But still, it shows that I could do it, that I could try. And I feel like that's what matters, because, further down the line, I'll advance myself, I'll get better. But I'm happy I did this. I'm happy that I am here with a pumpkin mask on my face, entertaining you guys. Now it's time to take this off. So this mask doesn't get hard. It just really softens your face. Alright, the mask is off. My face feels all soft and look at the natural glow. I promise there's no mess in my face. It's just natural. I love it. So now I'm gonna use just lip scrub. I don't have a particular brand that I like. I feel like a lot of lip scrubs are the same. If you want something more, you can add a certain type of oil to it, but this is just a beauty lip scrub. So these are all by Nola Skin Essentials, the serums. There's like a million of them. So my first one is Rejuvenate Serum. I'm scared it's gonna spray out. The next is Restore Serum. Brightening Serum. And lastly, Revitalizing Serum. I look weird. Now we're going to rub these together. So fresh and so clean. My last serum is the HELLLLAAA Hydrating Serum. Oh! Just spray it nice. That's what she said. Keep it peachy and nancy. PG-13. And now I have my eye cream. Just gonna dab and put that under my eye. Because these long hours, they don't wait for anyone. Put that in my lid also. Just a little bit. And then after I take this out the freezer, I'm gonna roll. This feels so good. Oh, so good. Now I have my glycolic night cream. Since I'm not doing anything else, it's pretty much just getting ready and then going to bed. So I'm gonna put my night cream on. Don't forget the neck, guys. And so I'm gonna flip this over and use this side. And remember, you wanna go up. Oh. I'm just gonna rub this lip scrub off, right? I have rubbed my lip scrub off, and I usually just put on Carmex. Nothing specific or Vaseline on my lips, just to keep my lips hydrated throughout the night. And there you have it. What do you think of my skin? Does it look plump? Don't worry, this won't be here soon. It won't be here that long. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for taking this off with me. And don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see more of this, so we can have that connection, that talk. Well, I give you great advice on skincare, especially if it's Black owned, which all of these products that I've used were Black owned except for these two and Neutrogena. I don't know if Neutrogena is Black owned, but I don't think it is. And these two. All the others were Black owned, so respect. So if you want to know any more Black owned business brands that I use, and makeup wise, skincare wise, whatever else, just stay tuned. Press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell that's next to it so you'll be notified when you want to see this lovely, amazing face. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, you're loved, you're appreciated, and you're beautiful. You guys have a wonderful evening. Bye.